Ayan, magandang araw, magandang buhay. Ayan, ako'y kinauna ng taong yun. Kinauna ako nito taong ito at kami may gagawin. Kaya kaibigan ko po, may boss. Kasi may classic yung ano niya. Ito, ayusin rin namin to. Ngayon nagka-problema yung Suburban. Ayusin namin yung radiator. Ayan, at mamaya i-video ko yung aming gagawin. Ayan lang, mamaya uli. Ayan. Dito na kami. At ganun pa rin. Ganun pa rin ang aming, wala pa rin nadagdag. Alisin namin yung radiator at tumama yung fan blade sa radiator na butas. Pero sinunod namin yung specification ng clearance, pero ganun pa rin. Sa reviews nung blower ay hindi maganda. Kumbaga pangit yung nabiling pan blower. Gagawa namin ng remedyo. Mamaya ulit at simula namin tanggalin.
I'm confused.
You know, before we saved the water because the heat is already coolant. Remember?
Oh, yeah. Don't worry.
You have to push hard. See?
Yeah, alright. I believe you. I believe you. Hey, give me the screw.
I don't do the hair first.
Fine. Do that right.
Ayun, tatanggalin namin ang radiator. At aming why I remove this?
I have no clue. I don't know.
No, this video is for my channel, not
Oh, okay.
those Abalocos.
We're not gonna do Los Velasquez?
Those Abalocos, it is your part to upload the video.
No, we're not gonna put this in.
What?
Huh?
This which one?
We'll put the installation after we put it together again. Because
I need to remove this.
I have no clue. Maybe you want to drain water.
I'm thinking about the water, but I need to remove maybe some dirt to inside. And I think the water is already almost empty.
Yeah, I think so too.
See? No, almost. There's a lot of wire here need to arrange. Same like this wire. Touching here. Later it will be
Which wire? The
The-
ignition wire?
yeah, I think the positive.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Touching there. So I'm thinking about to remember you buy cable tie with the hole for the
Oh,
screw.
yeah.
So let's try to find a big, much more large
Oh,
like
for
that.
that?
So
Okay.
we can make it
Yeah.
it will not vibrating and touching in body. So the cover will not cut.
We're gonna have to, because last time when this car was at the garage, when they were doing the engine, the battery fell and the wire hit.
Yeah, I remember some spark there in burn near in
That was because of, what's his name? Whatever his name is.
I remember we changed one wire here. It already burned. Ah, I forgot this one. The wire.
What do you need?
I need to move this wire.
Wait, should we just take off the fan? Wait, you need 10, right?
Yeah, but this is already we put rivet
Where?
at the bottom, so we need to remove and cut the rivet.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I think you should have found a different idea, but okay. So what do you need over there then?
We need 13 to 40 gram, and this one 10 also 10.
10 and
Okay.
13?
This one no problem. This is connected. Already loose. But 13, I need 13.
Which 13? I got this kind of 13. I got this kind of 13.
Give me the ratchet. We can remove the after the
Oh, we can remove it later?
Yeah.
Then why did you need the 10?
because of this.
Oh.
But still, we need the 10 there.
Here.
It's already removed. We can do. You position on that side. I will lift up. Like dito.
Be careful of the wire. The blue one.
Ay, put you this like a...
I'm just saying. Be careful of the wire. The blue one.
finished already.
Yeah, throw it there. Or where? I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remove my hand.
Remove your hand.
Careful. Ayun, natanggal na namin ang radiator. At aming i-disassemble. Ayan, natanggal na namin. Ayun ang naging damage. Tinamaan itong ano. Ngayon, ito sinunod namin yung specific clearances rito. Pero ganun pa rin. Tingin ko pag umiinit siya, nade-deform to. Gumaganon ang motor, so lalapit ito kasi masyadong manipis to, mataw-taw, lalo na pag natagtag pa. Yan. Ngayon gagawin namin, lagyan namin special dito para lumayo. Ngayon tatanggalin muna namin to, niripits kasi namin dito. Ayun lang at tanggalin ko na. Ayan, tanggal na namin.
Yeah, it's empty. There's a little bit left.
Ayun. Marami pa kaming aayusin rito. And nagbakasyon kasi ako kaya yun, natigil lang ano, ngayon tutuloy na namin uli dahil papalamig na ang klima rito, maginhawa ng maggawa.
I'm gonna clean it too.
Ayan ang mga sasakyan niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sa atin Pinas hindi kaya ng ordinaryong mamamayan lang ng Pilipinas ang magkasasakay ng 6. Motor nga ay pahirapan pa. Kanina nagrereklamo itong bossing ko, wala raw siyang pera. Ewan ko kung wala talagang pera ito ano. Yes boss, I'm telling you tell that you don't have money, but I don't believe.
I'm broke. Literally. I'm on a budget.
Okay, yun lang ulit at maya ulit. Ayun, tapos na kami maggawa. Tinanggal lang namin yung tag ito, radiator, at paparepair. Yun lang at gawa ulit ako ng video sa susunod. At sana medyo matapos namin itong what date our plan to go to Pelican Island? What date? December or
Yeah. When it's winter. Should be nice.
Ayan.
Especially there, it'll be colder. Colder than here.
Ayun, kahit paano matapos namin yung ibang ikakabit. Wiring ang medyo hindi naman ako electrical pero kahit paano nakakaintindi ako. Balak nga puntang araw sa Pelican Island. Ayun, may mga rin, mga structure of Roman Empire.
Yeah. The island used to be called Icarus in Roman days because Pelican Island looks like a foot, so they called it Icarus, like one of their
Yeah.
monotheistic, polytheistic gods, you know,
Yeah.
their mythology.
ayun, pag napunta ka na ron, at least makapag gagawa ko ng video na related sa pangyayari nung unang panahon. Panahon pa ng Bible history. Ayun lang at susunod ulit. At yun lang naman ang aming gagawin ngayon. Okay. Bye-bye. Magandang buhay sa inyo lahat. Magandang araw.